Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. A Karcher carpet cleaner can handle everything from routine cleaning to stubborn messes, but over time you may notice issues such as weak water spray, poor suction, unusual noise, or reduced cleaning performance. These problems do not always indicate a major fault. In many cases, they are linked to maintenance items, blocked components, or simple setup issues that are easy to miss during regular use. Before considering repairs, it is worth performing a few quick checks that can often restore normal operation. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple steps that may help solve common Karcher carpet cleaner problems. Try these. Step 1. Check the water tank on the Karcher carpet cleaner. Step 2. Clean the nozzle on the Karcher carpet cleaner. Step 3. Inspect hoses on the Karcher carpet cleaner. Step 4. Empty the recovery tank on the Karcher carpet cleaner. Step 5. Clean the filter in the Karcher carpet cleaner. Step 6. Test the Karcher carpet cleaner again.